Hello viewers. In this video today, we're going to talk about the top 5 best telescope reviews available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. Considering as best telescope reviews for their quality, features, and values, we have narrowed them down for the best possible choice you can make. For more information and updated pricing about the product, do check the given links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best telescope reviews, consumer ratings, and reports. Number 5. ToyerBee 100,247 Telescope for Kids and Beginners. The telescope is equipped with a 3x Barlow lens and 2 replaceable eyepieces, H20mm and H6mm. Our Refractor telescope is equipped with a 70mm large aperture objective lens, which makes the images brighter and clearer. ToyerBee telescope set includes 1 smartphone adapter and 1 wireless camera remote. Number 4. Celestron 11068 NexStar 6 SE Telescope. Featuring a database of more than 40,000 celestial objects. The GoTo mount built into our telescopes for Astronomy beginners automatically locates and tracks objects for you. SkyAlign technology gets your telescope aligned and ready in minutes. The 6-inch primary mirror in this Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope for adults and kids to be used together packs enough light-gathering ability to observe the best that our solar system has to offer. Number 3. Celestron NexStar 4 SE Telescope. The 4-inch primary mirror in this Maksutov-Cassegrain telescope for adults and kids to be used together packs. Fully automated GoTo mount. Featuring a database of more than 40,000 celestial objects. Number 2. Celestron AstroMaster 114 EQ Newtonian Telescope. It features fully coated glass optics, a sturdy and lightweight frame, 2 eyepieces, a star pointer red dot finder scope, and an adjustable tripod. The heart of the system is a fully coated 114mm primary mirror, quick setup and lightweight frame. Number 1. SkyAlign Telescope Arizona 70400 AS Mount Astronomical Refracting Telescope, 400mm f/5.7 focal length and 70mm aperture. Fully coated optics glass lens with high transmission coatings, creates stunning images and protects your eyes. Come with 2 replaceable eyepieces and 1 3x Barlow lens 0.5x24 finder scope. With mounting bracket and cross hairlines inside make locating objects easy. This telescope allows for many different viewing positions with an adjustable aluminum alloy tripod and a carry bag. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next videos.